Amazon FBA product research for beginners. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be giving you a free tutorial of Helium 10 for absolute beginners in 2021. Firstly, I want you to come on to helium10.com and I want you to simply click on the top right where it says sign up for free, or simply put in your email address and then simply press on this button. Now once you do that, that is going to ask you for more information like basically your first name, email and password, and once you do that, I'm going to catch you guys in just a second. So once you sign up, they are going to be asking you a couple of questions like basically, are you currently selling a product on Amazon, or like are you a third-party seller or stuff like that. I'm going to simply choose no for now because I am not selling it on Amazon. And then they're going to basically ask you, how can Helium 10 help you? Now from over here, you have to basically choose an option that you think is the most appropriate for you. Now, if you want to find a profitable product, simply choose this particular option. If you want to boost your product rankings, choose this one. If you want to learn how to build an Amazon business, simply choose this one. And then if you want to maximize conversions, obviously choose this one. I'm going to choose the first one. I'm going to click on continue, wait for a couple of seconds, and then basically, do you have a seller account or not? So if you do, then click on yes. If you don't, then click on no. Okay, so I'm gonna click on no for now, and then after that you basically have to upgrade your membership. You basically have to upgrade it depending upon what you want. Do you want all of these features? If yes, then upgrade. If you don't want all of these features, simply click on no thanks. So I'm gonna click on no thanks for now, and then after that, from over here, click on done, and there you go. This is the dashboard of Helium 10, and this is where the magic happens. So over here, you can basically see the dashboard of Helium 10. Now in front of you, you have a couple of different options. Firstly, you can simply research a keyword right now. So I'm gonna research the keyword right now. I'm gonna type in media. Now once I type in media, I'm gonna basically choose the country from over here as well, and basically just search it. So now I will basically see all the different products being sold in the US right now in the category of media. So we have Roku streaming stick, and they're getting 15,000 sales monthly. Then we have the last 30 days sale. Then we have the reviews and ratings and stuff like that. So we also have a lot of different options apart from the keyword research. So we have the option to basically set up alerts, market tracking, portals, follow-up emails, and all that good stuff. I'm going to be going over all of these tools shortly. So guys, don't worry, you'll learn everything. Now from the left side, you can basically see a lot of different categories. You basically have your product research category, your listing optimization, analytics, keyword research, learning, operations, and marketing. I'm going to open up product research. And now from over here, you can basically search for Amazon products or trendsetters or my list products. Basically, the products that you pin are going to be shown over here. I'm going to click on Amazon Trends Finder. And then after that, that is going to basically take you over to another page. Now, I think right now we are on that particular page. Yeah, so here it is. Now, you basically have to install this plugin. I'm going to basically install this from the Chrome Web Store. I'm going to click on Add to Chrome. And now I'm going to click on Add products. Once I do this, it is going to be added into my Chrome, and now I can just simply click on this, and I can just simply click on browse Amazon Marketplace, and now I will be able to basically see all the trendsetters that are available right now. So now we have this particular section. So now from over here, we can basically choose a lot of different things. So I'm gonna basically click on this particular category, and now I'm gonna open up Helium 10. And now I will basically be able to see all the different things that I can do. I have the profitability calculator, I have the ascending grabber, I have the X-ray Amazon product research tool as well. So coming back over here, you can basically put in the names of the products and also the keywords. And then this particular tool is gonna start the trendsetter and basically tell you what trends are going on and what's happening. Up top, we have the profit section, the follow-up section, Atomic, portals, and freedom ticket. I'm gonna open up profits, and now I will be able to see basically all the different profits that I'm getting. Now once I connect my Amazon seller account over here, I will be basically able to view all my analytics and everything. So all in all, it's going to be really easy. Now you can also analyze performance as well. You can improve decision making too. So all in all, from the left side, we can even check out all the refunds, the expenses, the inventory levels, the product performance, and also the profits dashboard. You also have the inventory management over here too. So if that is something that you guys are interested in, definitely do that. So now from over here, what I want you guys to do is that I want you to just simply take a look at their dashboard. Now coming back to their dashboard, now from the left side, you can open up a whole lot of different things. I'm going to open up basically the marketing section and open up Atomic, plus the operations section. And then also we have like all of these things. So I'm going to open up alerts, refund genie. For the learning, I'm going to open up reason ticket. For the keyword research, we have 4 different tools. So we have Cerebro, and we have Magnet, we have Misspellinator, and then we have our list, basically the keywords that we have pinned. So I'm going to open up this, and then for the analytics, we have some more options. So like all in all, this is going to be really easy. Now, once I open up alerts, this is saying that I need to have a working MWS API access token. We can simply get it by simply like, connecting our seller account, and that will basically be done. And you will basically be able to set up alerts for different products and for different categories. Now, coming over to the refund genie, over here, same, we need that particular token. Now, what is basically the Freedom Ticket? Freedom Ticket is the most comprehensive Amazon FBA training on the internet. You will basically be able to learn every single thing that you need to know about Amazon FBA through this particular tool, and you will be good to go. So guys, it is that easy, and honestly, you don't need much investment at all. They have a free plan. Basically, you can add up to 20 users in your free plan, and then after that, you will basically be charged $37 for the El Carte plan, and for the platinum plan you will be charged $97. For the diamond plan you will be charged $197, and for their elite plan you will be charged $397. So guys, like, that is amazing, and honestly, having this alongside your Helium 10 account is going to make a big difference. So I would highly recommend that you guys do this. And if for some reason you don't like it or you want your money back, you can simply get your money back as well within 30 days. Now guys, moving on to Cerebro. Now guys, Cerebro is basically gonna like, just give you product researching tools. Now I'm gonna put in ASIN over here. So now I've just put in an ASIN number. I'm gonna click on get keywords, and then I will basically be getting keywords in my computer. So now from over here, what I want you to do is that I want you to just simply like, pick any one of these products and then simply organize them. Now, for those of you all who don't know what ASIN is, ASIN basically is Amazon's identification number which you can use. So like simply come on to Amazon.com and pick any product that you want. So like for example, I have this particular product in front of me. Simply scroll down. And now from over here, what I want you guys to do is simply take a look at the product information. Over here, you are going to have your ASIN number, and you can simply copy your ASIN number and paste it over here on Cerebro, and you will get all the different details that you need to know about this particular product. So we have like the frequently bought together, the distribution, the ASIN number, and all that good stuff. So like definitely very nice. And also all the keywords that are being searched for this particular product to show up. So guys, this is basically how you can use Helium 10 and also how you can make the most out of it. Then you basically have the marketing section as well for the Atomic section. So like Atomic is basically there to amplify your ads. Now they basically turbocharge your PPC and advertising on Amazon, because advertising on Amazon is no longer an option, it's a must, and with Atomic, getting started has never been easier. So like they basically have AI and like data analysis, data science, and all that stuff to basically tell you what is going to be the best thing for you. So guys, that is basically how you can get started, and that is basically how you can actually make yourself quite a lot of money. So guys, this was the video, and that is how you can get yourself a lot of orders on Amazon using Helium 10. Now there are more detailed tutorials on YouTube for this particular tool as well, but this was a basic overview, and this is more than enough to get you guys started. So I hope you guys take full advantage from this and upgrade if you want to. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.